Scotch is super cute too. So this is still in our A major, and we are going on to that D string with that high three. And I want you to really feel that. So a lot of the time going to that G sharp, we are coming from that B. Both times actually in this piece we are. And so leave that first finger on that B and reach. We want to keep that there so we can feel that distance. We have that high three on that A string, and so we can feel it on that A string if we do that. And so really reach, and then just move it over to the D string so you can feel where that is. And I want that separation not only just to happen right here, is we have to have that separation happen here as well, so that first knuckle can stay where it is, and we can work on that finger independence of in between. We have to learn how to make that space there, so we can like do some really crazy reaches that are completely unnecessary, but we know how to have our fingers work independently. Okay, so we have our bowings pretty much down up for the entire piece. Da 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 da. So our bows are just doing down, up. We have a portato bowing in the second to last measure, where it's just going to sound like a bowing change. And we have that repeat. That always serves me. At that very end. E, E, A, G, F, E, 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 D, C, B, A. Watch out for that. I like to put 2 zeros in there to remind myself. Or you can do 4. That'd be a really great way to do it as well. So this is in our A major. So from the beginning, 1, 2, ready, long. Reach. Reach. All right, let's set it. Oh, we weren't too far off from 100. Beginning, 1, 2, ready, go.